Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to increase Cash App limit from 2.5k to 7.5k. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, you mean to open Cash App on your device to increase these limits. What you need to do is to type 300 or any amount above 250 and then tap on this pay button right over here. Once you tap on the pay button, you will be prompted to verify your identity with your full name, date of birth and SSN. Also, you should not be above the age of 18 years to get verified. Once you are verified, you will be able to send any receive money beyond the said limits. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs and up to see more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will see you in next one.